The overall goal of this procedure is to use shotgun proteomics to characterize and quantify endogenous glutamine and asparagine deamidation products in complex proteomes.
This method can help answer key questions in biochemistry, such as the influence of spontaneous and enzymatic processes on the isomeric product ratio of glutamine and asparagine deamidation.
The main advantage of this technique is that glutamine deamidation isomers are separated on a long-length ion exchange capillary column, maximizing the ability to separate peptides by their isomeric points.
To begin column construction, suspend 50 milligrams of weak anion exchange packing material in 3.5 milliliters of 90% isopropanol in water. Secure a female-to-female fitting, a microferrule, and a female nut at one end of a 50 centimeter length of PEEK tubing with an inner diameter of 200 micrometers. Fit a 1/16 inch screen with 1 micrometer pores at the end of the tubing inside the microferrule. Using a pressure pump set to 4,500 psi, pack the anion exchange slurry into the capillary until the material is visible at the top. Attach another female-to-female fitting, microferrule, and female nut to the top of the packed capillary at the opposite end to finish assembling the column. Wash 50 to 100 milligrams of tissue with phosphate-buffered saline for 5 minutes. Repeat this wash twice, and then place the washed tissue in tubes with safety caps.